Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're standing here on the grounds of Hellshire View. I know you guys are asking for an update. So we're just here to show you guys basically what is taking place via a drone shot. I know you're not seeing a physical building or anything like that, but I can assure you that the work is going on. Alright, so from what I'm seeing, they are setting levels, they are still cutting roads, they are actually still here on grounds working as we speak. So guys, I'm going to be giving you an aerial shot of all that is already being done. Also, this development promised to be a very beautiful one. No doubt about that. You don't have to worry about flooding as they have already raised the ground way above the road level. So you guys don't have to worry about that. So, I'm loving what I am seeing. I can see you guys living here and being happy. So just off the main road, you drive up into your new housing scheme, and I'm going to show you guys all of that in this video. So enjoy this drone shot. Please remember to subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done so. Also, please remember to turn on your post notification bell that you guys don't miss an update from us. And guys, thank you so much for always supporting the journey as we continue to give you guys as much information and update as we can. So let's get right into this aerial shot, and I hope you guys enjoy the view from above. So here we go. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoy the view as much as we did on our side. So until next time, guys, please remember to subscribe to our channel as we continue to provide you with these updates. So we will definitely catch you guys in another video. So take care from Chris Ams, and we'll give you all the views, all the updates as they come. Take care, guys.